Trans fats. One of the main ingredients in coffee-mate powder creamer is hydrogenated vegetable oil, which is a major source of trans fats. Trans fats have been linked to a range of health problems, including heart disease, high cholesterol, and inflammation. The American Heart Association recommends that people limit their intake of trans fats to no more than 1% of their daily caloric intake. Added sugars. Many varieties of coffee-mate powder creamer contain added sugars, which can contribute to weight gain and tooth decay. According to the American Heart Association, women should not consume more than 6 teaspoons of added sugars per day, and men should not consume more than 9 teaspoons. Allergies. Coffee-mate powder creamer contains sodium caseinate, which is a milk protein. This makes it unsuitable for people who are lactose intolerant or have a milk allergy. People who are allergic to milk proteins may experience symptoms such as hives, wheezing, and digestive problems. Calorie intake. Coffee-mate powder creamer is high in calories, with some varieties containing up to 40 calories per serving. If you add a lot of creamer to your coffee throughout the day, it can significantly contribute to your daily calorie intake, which can be harmful to your health in the long run. Is there a healthy alternative to coffee-mate? For those looking for a healthier alternative to coffee-mate, there are various options to choose from. For example, unsweetened almond or coconut milk can provide a similar creamy taste without the added sugars and unhealthy additives. How to use coffee-mate powder responsibly. When using coffee-mate powder, it's important to be mindful of the serving size and frequency of use. Using too much powder can lead to an increase in calorie intake and potentially harmful effects on health. It's recommended to use it sparingly and opt for low-fat or unsweetened options. What happens to your body if you drink coffee-mate every day? Drinking coffee-mate every day can lead to an increase in calorie intake and unhealthy additives such as trans fats. This can potentially increase the risk of health issues such as obesity, heart disease, and diabetes. Opting for healthier alternatives in moderation is recommended. What is a healthier alternative to coffee creamer? There are various healthier alternatives to coffee creamer, such as almond and coconut milk, low-fat milk, or natural sweeteners like honey or maple syrup. These options can provide a similar creamy taste without the added sugars and trans fats found in many creamers. Why is coffee-mate banned? Coffee-mate is not banned. However, various studies have linked its use to potential health risks, such as trans fats, which led to many companies revising their formulas. It's important to choose low-fat and unsweetened versions and to use it in moderation. Coffee-mate creamer ingredients. Coffee-mate creamer ingredients can vary depending on the flavor and brand. However, many contain additives such as corn syrup, partially hydrogenated oil, trans fat, artificial flavors, and preservatives. Opting for low-fat and unsweetened options is recommended for a healthier choice. In last, coffee-mate powder creamer is a convenient and tasty option to add to your cup of coffee. However, it is important to be aware of the potential health risks associated with it. By limiting your intake, choosing varieties with no added sugars, and using alternatives, you can still enjoy your coffee with creamer in a healthy way. Be informed and make the right choice for your health.